Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to do this really easy Christmas freehand and nail dot design. So I'm going to use a black holo by Color Club called Black Magic, and I'm going to use my acrylic paints. I haven't used them in a while, so I thought this would be the perfect time to use them. So I already painted my nails with the black polish, and I'm going to draw two lines on the top and bottom of my nails, and I'm going to fill it in. Now, if you want your colors to pop, always add a white, especially on dark colors. Always add a white coat of the polish, or the paint. Now, when I fill in the lines, I'm going to make sure that the acrylic is thin. If it's too thick, what's going to happen is it's going to crack, and you don't want that. You want a smooth surface to work with. Now, I wanted to do a more abstract Christmas design. This Christmas season, I've been doing a lot of abstract designs. I don't know, something about it. I'm not into the literal Christmas as much as I was last year, but I want to do something fun and different. This is also a design that you don't have to use Christmas colors. You can do it with any color combos you want. I just, like I said, wanted to do Christmas, abstract Christmas look. And as you can see, I already filled the bottom part or the top part of my nails with the green, and I'm going to do the red. I love how this, like I said, I love how this design came out. It's really fun. It's festive. I loved adding that holo. You don't have to add a black holo. You can use glitter or anything that, has a nice shiny look to the background. I think that's what helps bring out the design even more. And I wanted to do a black. I love, it's winter time, so I love using darker colors, and I just thought that would just bring it all together. Now, once I was done filling in the design, I could have left it by itself, but I wanted to add some dots just to fill in the blanks. I always want to fill up my nails with something, so I added some dots of white. And then in between the whites, I'm going to fill in it in with red and green. Now, like I said, you don't have to add these colors. You don't have to add the dots, but I just thought it just brought the whole look together, adding dots. And if you watch my other videos, I'm obsessed with dots, so I just wanted to do that. And like I said, I just did some alternative red, white, and green and white. And once I was done, I applied a quick dry top coat. I hope I made this video easy and simple for you to recreate if you want. And here's the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates on when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.